to wear something. It's really cold outside. Put your coat on. Take off. To remove something. She took off her hat. As it was too hot. Call off. To cancel something. They had to call off the soccer match. Due to rain. They had to call off the soccer match due to rain. Carry on. To continue doing something. Despite the setbacks, she decided to carry on. See off. To say goodbye. My family went to the airport to see me off. Hold back. To stop yourself. To stop yourself doing something. Or from doing something, it may be like that. She tried to hold back. She tried to hold back her tears. During her emotional speech. Pass out. It means to faint or to get fainted. He felt sick and dizzy. He felt sick and dizzy, and then suddenly passed out. Let in, to allow someone or something. The window. Let a lot of air in. The window let a lot of air in. Take down, to write something down. Please take down my phone number. Please take down my phone number to contact me later. Run into, to meet something unexpectedly or to meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into one of my old college professors. I ran into one of my old college professor the other day. Wrap up, to finish something. I need to wrap up this project before the deadline. Turn down, to refuse. She turned down the job offer. She turned down the job offer because of low salary. Go through, to experience something difficult or to experience something. That may be something difficult. She is going through a difficult time right now. Do over, to do something again. To do something again. The teacher asked him to do the assignment over. Get along, to have a good relationship. to have good relationship with someone. I get along with my classmates. Give up. To stop trying. He gave up jogging. After his heart attack. Hold on. To wait for a short time. Hold on a second. I need to check something quickly. I'm afraid. I am afraid she let us down badly. Run over. To hit someone or something. The truck ran over the tree. The truck ran over the tree. Over a tree, it is also good. The truck ran over the tree along the road. Take after. To resemble. The girl in blue takes after her mother. And what is the reason? With her bright smile. So the girl in blue takes after her mother with her blue smile, with her bright smile, not blue. Break out. To start suddenly. A big fight broke out. A big fight broke out among the participants at a concert hall.